bitches slap this, you feel me? Fucking your hoe. Giddy up. I'm fucking your hoe. I'm fucking your hoe. I'm fucking your hoe. I'm fucking your hoe. Fucking your hoe. Like, damn, fucking your hoe.
Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a quick walk around or review of the 1998 Camry LE. And this is why it's so great. I mean, everything is so simple, and to me, I love the old school look. I mean, we got the regular switches, right? Toyota, nothing crazy, everything works. Now with these years, obviously with the time, some of these things are gonna start going wrong, so I'm already expecting these things to go out any minute. I mean, every time I roll the window down, it sounds like there's something stuck in there. It goes right, so about to go out soon. So anyway, another thing, older cars, obviously plastics is gonna start degrading, so you should expect that. Now this one was kept in great condition. Now yours, if it's a little beat up, I mean, if it has some little wear and tear here and there, it's no big deal. These things are built to run. Engine, transmission is what you're looking for. Now again, this one's got about 93,000 miles now, and it runs perfect. All right, so everything is super basic here, which I love, right? So here's the AC control system. Very basic, 90s. Little ASMR. Alright, don't want you guys getting all horny. Right, so we got the radio separately from the AC unit, or the whatever air conditioning unit. I like these 90s aesthetics. I don't know, it's just probably me, right? Reminds me of being a kid again. So everything is very straightforward. We got the radio right here. Everything works. Now I thought this was to change the radio, but all this does is just change the mode on the like the bass and things like that, right? You gotta tune the radio right here one by one. That's kind of anyway. We got CD player, one CD player, change your tracks. You got your vents, your hazards, your key right here, and cruise control. Cruise control works great. Again, window controls right here. You can dim your dash light with this over here. I got a nice little air freshener. That's an extra cost there. And you can even shut off and turn on your vents. There is no rear vents for this one. Now, don't mind my little mess back here. Nice headliner. Have the overhead sunglass holder, whatever this thing is. It's kind of weird, so I guess you're supposed to put glasses here. Never use that. Your glasses will probably get scratched, so I'm not risking that over there. Close that up. We got old school, very cheap visors here. I'm not gonna open the mirror right now, I look crazy. Anyway, we got them for both, and we got the extenders for both mirrors. That is a luxury there for the 1998. What else we got? Now, all I can say is this car is freaking amazing. Okay, now we're in the back seat. Now, back seat's kind of tight for this long vehicle, honestly. I'm a pretty short guy. That's kind of where I'd be sitting here. I'm about 5'6" or so, and I guess I do drive a little bit further back just to feel comfortable, like I'm in my own couch. And here are the back seats. Now, back seats are very comfortable. Excuse my mess back there. I just kind of put it from back here over there. Again, everything is just kind of what you'd expect, right? Very old school. Now, there are cup holders, and there are some tiny little cup holders. Now, here we go. Boom. Got 1, 2. Honestly, I wouldn't have anyone holding the drinks in this thing, just because as soon as you pull out and accelerate, the drinks are just gonna fall out. There's about 2 inches of room back here, down from the ring, so it's not even worth it. We got armrest, very luxury, and you can even fold down the back seats right here. Bet you didn't know that, huh? driver. I almost forgot to mention these two big freaking
I'm a pretty boy, I got my tiny shirt, man. I got so many bitches, it ain't even a problem. I sell cocaine at my house like a farmer. Bitches on my dick, cause I look like Obama. Selling cocaine and I sell marijuana. Bitches suck my